Hey folks, welcome to another video. So in this video, I'll be showing you how to fix the npm error on Windows. So after you install the Node.js, you will see that Node.js is working fine on Windows. But sometimes npm command is not working. For example, if I type node -v, you can see node command is working without any issue. But if I type npmv, it's not working. So the issue here is currently running scripts feature is disabled in PowerShell. So you have to enable that in order to run the npm command. To enable that, you can run this command: set -executionPolicy space -executionPolicy space RemoteSigned space -scope space CurrentUser. So after you run this command, it will set the execution policy that enable the running scripts command. So now if I run npm command, as you can see, it's working without an issue. If you find this video is helpful, make sure to like the video and subscribe the channel. See you in the next video.